beavers might be the most paranoid engineers in nature. And honestly, they have a good reason. When a beaver chews a tree, it actually stops sometimes to listen, basically checking if the tree is about to fall on it. And here's the weird part. If a beaver hears running water, it goes into emergency mode and starts building a dam. Scientists even played the sound of water through a speaker, and the beavers literally built a dam on top of the speaker. Why are they so obsessed? Because their homes are hidden inside ponds, with underwater entrances to avoid predators. Also, their teeth are orange because they contain iron, which makes them strong enough to chew trees all day. So, if you hear water leaking, a beaver hears construction work.